Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare spinach and potato recipe, palak and aloo ki sabzi. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken one bunch of spinach and I have cut them into thin stripes like this, nicely washed it, folded, rolled it together and then chopped it. 2 big potatoes, cubed them, salt as per our taste, 1 big onion sliced, 2 dried red chilies, 6 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 big green chili chopped, 1 tomato chopped, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. And I'm going to prepare this recipe in mustard oil. So let's get started. First we are going to fry these potatoes. So here I am heating 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a karhai, and once the oil gets heated, as you can see smoke coming out from the oil, we will fry the potatoes. We'll fry them till they slightly change their color, and we'll fry over medium flame. The potatoes are fried now, so we will remove them in a plate. So friends, here I have removed the potato from the oil. Now in this remaining oil we are going to first add the cumin seeds, that is the jeera and the hing. Reduce the flame to low. Then we will add the garlic and the green chili. Same time we are going to add the onion and the dried red chilies. We'll saute this till the onion gets slightly cooked. Now as the onions are slightly cooked, we are going to add the powder spices, the coriander powder, turmeric powder and the red chili powder, tomatoes, we will add 2 tablespoons of water so that the spices mix well properly. It won't get burned. Now we will add salt also as per our taste. We'll saute the masala for a minute over medium flame. Now friends, we will add the potatoes. We'll saute the potatoes with the gravy for a minute over medium flame. Now we will add the spinach. After adding the spinach, friends, we will put the flame into medium and we will cover this and leave it for 5 minutes over medium flame. After 5 minutes, friends, we will remove the lid. As you can see, spinach started leaving water. We'll just mix it with the spices and the potatoes. After mixing it, we'll again cover it and cook for another 3 minutes over medium flame. Now we'll open the lid, and as we can see, our palak is cooked properly. Let's check a potato. Yes, our potatoes are also cooked properly. So we will saute this to make it a little bit dry. So now friends, our yummy palak and aloo ki sabzi is ready. As you can see, we will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving plate. So friends, here is our aloo and palak ki sabzi ready. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. You can savor this with rice or rotis. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.